I got something hurt in my thing. On my leg, I got something hurt. So I can't hear my ears. Hello. When I'm keeping that there, he's not falling down. Daddy will fix it later, and then quickly I have to take out the walk and quickly put it in your bicycle and start. And Daddy will quickly open and fall down. Then I have to put quickly the walk. So if Daddy will fix later, from there you can see there.
What?
That thing there. That one.
Oh, your wheel came out.
Yes. Of those things.
And that's the screw things. Okay.
Yes, but the wheels came. Look at that sheet.
Okay.
There.
Acha. So that's why to make your cycle stand, you put some rock over there.
Yes, that's the walk one. If anything fall down in this one, we have to put one walk there. We have to take one walk. Well, like the big walk one. But we can keep it like this. Oh, but it can fall. Like that is fall.
Okay.
It'll be in the garbage truck.
All right.
And they'll break it and throw it in the bin.
And what is in your mouth now? I can see some marks.
Marks?
Yeah. What are those?
Those.
It was?
I went to the house and ate some marks.
You ate something?
Yeah.
Yeah. What you ate in the morning?
I ate lemonade. Then it was here.
Okay.
But the walk is too easy to not do.
So you want to say something more?
Yes.
Tell me.
But that's okay. That's okay.
That's
You
okay.
can keep in that Nona's bicycle.
All right.
But it's not big.
All right.
Only.
So you want to say something? Bye or something you want to say, because I want to put the video off.
What?
You want to say something, Gulgul?
No.
Tell something, then I'll put it off.
But it's okay, I'll tell. So, video I found. Something video I found it. That one was from the bicycle there. It was supposed to be there. But if you don't put that lock, the thief will take it. So we have to put those locks and the thief can't take it. Then they will go away from that one. Those kids sit down.
Mm-hmm.